Hello everyone. My second subtopics of the communication is digital communications. I'm gonna start with the definition of it. What does mean digital communication? Actually, effective digital communication is the ability to create persuasive communications in a different media. It might be website, video, audio, or text. The digital communication is a foundation skill for most careers today, and that's obvious for everyone, as most people will be involved in some form or conceptualizing, uh, producing, delivering, and receiving such communications in their jobs and life, starting in elementary school and extending to higher education. Students can learn a variety of digital communication skills across all their courses, whether they build multimedia presentation to demonstrate their knowledge of academic subjects, create portfolios or of coursework, or present idea in a virtual classroom. What is data transmission, digital transmission, or whatever you want to call it, digital communication? It is a physical transfer of data over a point to point or point to multi-points communication channel. For example, uh, the Cooper wires, optical fibers, wireless communication channels, storage media, and computer buses. The data are represented as electromagnetic signal, such as an electrical voltage, radio wave, microwave, and infrared signal. While analog transmission is the transfer of a continuously varying analog signal over an analog channel, digital communication is transfer of discrete messages over a digital or analog channel. The messages are either represented by sequence of pulses by means of a line code, which is the baseband transmission, or by a limited set of continuously varying wave forms called passband transmission. I'm gonna talk about these two in the next slide. The base band transmission and passband transmission. The passband modulation and corresponding demodulation is carried out by modern equipment. Let me go ahead and start with these two. Here you see the first one, a passband signal, which is digital over digital transmission. Sequence of electrical pulses, of light pulses produced by means of lines coding scheme, such as Manchester coding. This typically is used in the serial cables, wired local area networks such as Ethernet, and an optical fiber communication. A result in pulse uh, amplitude modulated. The second one is passband signal, which is now digital over analog. The first one was digital over digital, and this one digital over analog transmission. Modulated is a modulated side wave signal represented in a digital bit stream. Note that this is uh, some textbooks consider it as analog transmission, but it can be digital, not just analog. In telecommunication, serial transmission is the sequential transmission of signal elements of a group representing a character or other entry of data. Digital serial transmissions are bits sent over a single wire, frequency or optical path, excuse me, or optical path sequentially because it requires less signal processing and less chances for error than parallel transmission. The transfer rate of each individual path may be faster. This can be used over longer distances as a check digit of a parity bit can be sent along it easily. Here are some sources that I got some my information from. And the practice problem for digital communications are was means by binary frequency shift, which is BF SK. The answer is B. For the second question, which of the following items affects the bit error rate, the BER of receiving a signal? The answer is D for all of them. And what is the Z transform of the Dirac delta function? It is 1 A. And for the last question, which of these issues represent a problem for zero if receivers? The answer is D, all of them. I have some. The sources are here. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.